Come ride the Rainforest Bicycle Tour. There are strange things done in the midnight sun by the men who moil for gold. The Arctic trails have their secret tales that would make your blood run cold. Experience the natural beauty and history of the Taiya River Valley on a relaxing bicycle ride. During the gold rush, Dai was Skagway's rival city. Now nature has reclaimed the land. This scenic tour starts with an informative van transfer to Dai. Your professional guides, versed in the ecology and history of the area, lead you on a bike route that covers 5 miles of flat terrain for easy pedaling. You ride through the rainforest, visit historic ruins, the Chilkoot Trailhead, and the coastal tidal flats, where eagles, salmon, colorful wildflowers, dazzling mountains, and the mythic coastal brown bear are often in view. This tour is ideal for those seeking mild exercise in the fresh Alaskan air.